I'm Tony Aaron. I'm the city administrator for the city of Early, Texas. I've been the city administrator for about 11 years. And the Town Center project is something that we've been working on for about 6 years now. And we wanted to do something different than just build another park. The focus began on a small agricultural pond that was used to water cattle. We envisioned turning that into a 7-acre fishing lake.
Whenever the project was designed, there was an existing pond here. That pond was completely renovated. As that renovation took place, you built a new base of the bottom of the pond and then refilled the lake with actually water from the river. What that did was that brought in old water into a new pond that lacked bacteria at the sediment.
We were taking a lot of pictures and videos of the lake so we could kind of promote that to the public. And real quickly, some of the drone footage, instead of blue or clear water, we noticed a thick green color that was coming from the lake. So our dream and vision of what we saw developing was quickly interrupted with the chemistry and the microbiology of trying to establish a healthy pond system, which was something that we were unprepared for or unfamiliar with.
Unfortunately, it had high phosphorus load from the outset, which means algae immediately started to grow. We took proactive solutions like bottom diffusion aeration, sonic algae control units, but we needed something to actually control the phosphorus. This is when we contacted Oase. Oase has phosphorus mitigation solutions and provide us the ability to take phosphorus out of the water column or from the sediment and create a permanent mineral hydroxyapatite.
We were able to come out and do some sampling, get a really good idea of where the water quality was, see what aspects we needed to work towards, and realize that with it being a new pond with old water in it, the phosphorus was extremely high, the nitrogen was high, so we were able to work with that N to P ratio to kind of prevent some of the algae from growing. And in doing so, we were able to use an algicide to kill the algae, and then thereafter we came back with our calcium peroxide-based product called SeDox. And with most of the issue being in the water column, we were able to treat the water with the SeDox in order to bind up some of the phosphorus. And then we also used some beneficial bacteria to our advantage to work towards that nitrogen fix.
On treatment day, we chose the SeDox because of the ease of application, where we could deploy it from a boat using the prop wash to get a coverage throughout the entire pond. Throughout the application of the SeDox, one of the first things we noticed was that the water was actually visibly becoming clearer. So visibility was increasing during application.
We noticed a change pretty quickly. I mean, things started to clear up, the filament algae started to disappear. Instead of the green soup, you began to see some clarity into the water and down into the water and look more natural of what we're expected to see in this part of the state of Texas.
Last year, the moss problem was pretty heavy around because the water levels were low too at the time. But most definitely this year, it's way better this year. It's always a bonus when you don't have to reel in and clean moss or algae off your hook every time you cast or whatever. Most definitely it has been better this year.
They needed something that was not harmful to people. They needed something to where people could be fishing and we could be applying the product. Our products are all mineral based. There's no harmful chemicals, no nothing like that. So as we were sitting here applying the product, people were out here fishing, walking around, talking, no smells, no harmful chemicals going throughout the air. With each one of our products, not only do we bind the phosphorus, but we release oxygen. We don't deplete oxygen, we release it. So with each bag of our product, which is 50 pounds, you add 3.3 pounds of oxygen within putting the product in the water.
The city of Early has been one of those partners that you dream of. They're providing something to their community that we really wish we could replicate throughout the state. And a partnership with a company like Oase makes that more efficient. And once again, efficiency of the project is what drives somebody like the city of Early to become a long-term partner.
Don't buy or use the product because I'm telling you. talk to the people that sell it, talk to the people that understand it, promote it, and I think you'll understand what's going on. You'll understand the affordability of the cost, and you'll understand that it's an option for you to really improve those lake amenities within your community and take them to the next level. And instead of just having a body of water in your community, you can have a pristine opportunity for people to enjoy and recreate, fish, and just sit by and have a picnic. So